Hello everyone, I hope so you all will be doing well. So those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So today I'm here to share an update of SCFHS or Saudi Dataflow. So those students who are applying for Dataflow or going to apply for it in future, this video is for you all. Dataflow has updated process. Now, while updating experience in Dataflow will provide you selection area from where you have to search your area of work or hospital or clinic or organization, whatever, and then select it, and then you have to select it, and if you haven't find your area of work or workplace here, so you will be asked to add this workplace by paying 1000 PKR Pakistani rupees. That will be further added to the bill. So here you can see that the 1000 PKR for verification process, the amount will be converted to Saudi Riyal at the checkout stage and added to your total bill. So you can watch on screen, same like educational institute. Now you have to add your workplace area also here. Dataflow already has options and already has some list of well-known and recognized hospitals and clinics as well as organizations, etc. So here I want you all to get aware of it. Don't waste your time to get experience from every non-recognized clinic or non-registered clinics, please. I've seen that many of students are doing paid internships in every non-registered clinics just to gain experience and wasting their time as well as their money. So make sure about it, and please don't pay anyone for experience certificate of non-registered workplace or non-recognized workplace. Otherwise, you will have to pay further in Dataflow. Plus, as I told you earlier, requirements of experience letter and the link for their video is given in description box. That what are the requirements for experience letter, some points are also described in that video. Further, one more query is about experience gap. Many of my clients and many of you all were asking about how much experience gap is acceptable by Dataflow. So, according to my knowledge, experience gap should not be more than 6 months. Experience gap should not be more than 6 months. Make sure to have experience letter with designation as physiotherapist, and those who are asking for internship letters, let me know that your letter must mention that you have worked as a physiotherapist internee, or you have completed your house job or internship as a physiotherapist. So those who were asking about internship letters, that internship letter will be accepted by Dataflow. As experience, if your letter is mentioning that you have worked as a physiotherapist internee, or you have completed your house job or internship as a physiotherapist, then it's acceptable. So further, I have already uploaded detailed video about experience letter. So let's talk about experience gap again. So gap should not be more than 6 months from your resignation date to Dataflow date. So these were all some of important updates that I wanted to share with you all. And at last, love, respect and best wishes for my beloved YouTube family members as well as my clients. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.